What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. I got a big surprise for you guys. We're gonna be installing a crash cage. Yeah, this was the surprise that I've been talking about, guys. I can't even begin to say how happy I am. Ooh. Oh man, look at this. You don't understand how long I've been waiting for this to come in. Guys, I was even messaging FMS like 2 days after, asking for an update. Like, I'm that impatient. Parts, more parts. I think, I almost threw this away. In case you didn't know, guys, I got this stuff from FMS. I'll put the link in the description. Well, there's one, guys. I got it in flat black, and honestly, it looks really good. The paint job is pretty good. No bumps, no dents. So let's go ahead and take the other one off. Listen, the main reason I got this crash protection, guys, is because I need, as you guys know, I've fallen so many times. A couple of times on video, a couple of times off the video. I obviously want to stunt it, so I don't want it to get messed up because I know I'm gonna fall. And I really hope I don't fall that bad. Listen, it's all part of the game. That's why we practice, to get better. Alright guys, so we're going to start on the left side of the bike, and the first thing you want to do is take off this housing right here. This is where the gears are. You want to take this off because we're going to take this cover off. So we're going to take this side off, and this is a T30 size socket. Next thing you want to do is take the cover off, which is 2 bolts right here, one at the bottom, and it comes right off just like that. Alright, next we're going to take off this bolt right here. So next thing you want to do is take off this bolt right here and this bolt that's in here. Those two sections is where the cage is going to go, and right here. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright guys, so you get these spacers, right? And this spacer goes right there, just like that. And the way that the cage is, this little tab, it goes in the back. So if it looks like this, it's the one for the left side. So you're gonna put that right there. That closes in with the bolt right here. The long screw that's provided goes in here. And then the short screw goes in this, and in the middle one. Alright guys, so for the right side of the bike, we're gonna go ahead and start by taking off this bolt right here, which is also a size 17. Okay, so next we're gonna go ahead and take this cap off. There's 2 bolts right here, just like the other side. Alright guys, so none of the videos really show this part, how to connect the back side. So I kind of skipped a step, so we're gonna have to take this back off. The rod back here that goes through to the other side is what we gotta take off. So let's go ahead and take everything back off to get that. So, alright, so let's go ahead and remove this. Alright guys, so we're gonna remove this bracket right here so we can be able to push this out and get that bolt out. Just like that. Take the bolt out. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and remove this bolt right here before we tidy up the backside. that. All right guys, so go ahead and grab the crash cage. And you wanna put this backside first. Just like that. Go ahead and put this back bolt through. Grab the small bolt, silver one, and let's go ahead and put it in this one in the middle. This didn't bring a washer, but if you have a washer, it's better. Go ahead and install the nut. And guys, don't forget to put this little screw back in to hold that bracket in there, which I almost forgot. There we go. All right guys, so you want to grab the long rod, right? And you're gonna this is what connects this side to the other side. I had already tightened everything, so it got a little tough, so I just loosened this side. So now I can go ahead and put this rod on there. Just like that.
This doesn't even have a hole for you to put anything in. Oh, you put it here.
All right guys, so for the finishing touch, putting the pucks in there. Pretty simple. Put the puck in.
Yeah, that's simple, right?
Yeah, so let me start. Ready? All right. All right guys, so for the last part, go ahead and put the pucks. Just like that. Grab this. And honestly, it looks really good, I think. But yeah guys, that's it for today's video. That's how you install a crash cage on a 2022 MT07, FZ07, same thing. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, drop a comment, share the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for the videos guys. We got a whole series built for this. The sub cage is coming in and some other little parts here for the stunt bike, and then we're gonna start practicing soon, so stay tuned for that guys. You already know what to do. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I know I said it, but we out.